you do, I might just load and crash out. I hate to set this bitch to flame, cause that's gon' bring the task out. Lil' bro, he brazy in the brain, ready to bring that mass out. And when he bring that mass out, gon' be a man down.
Foolish madness, fool. Know that.
Young Guapo, man. HBD. Man, what's good, YouTube? I'm gonna start off the video like that, man. You feel me? Just got back from Tractor Supply. You feel me? For them pups, man. Go spend a bag on your pups, man. Go spend a bag on your pups, man. 3 receipts, man. 3, 4 stoves, man. You feel me? I'm about to mush them up today. You know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and put them pups on the mush, man. You feel me? Go spend a bag on your pups, man. You feel me? This everyday action now. This finna be like everyday action now, you feel me? I always spending money, man. I spend money on my pups, man. Word up. You feel me? Had to go get a couple of ingredients. You know what I'm saying? I already had, but you know. Yeah. Got like $3, $4 foods up here, man. Them dogs good forever, you hear me? Them dogs eat better than me, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nigga. This was just when she was nursing, man. You know, I just had that for when she was nursing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all see me fix up the mush and everything today, man. No cap, man. I just had to make that little tractor supply run, you feel me? Let y'all know, man. Go spend some money on your pups, man. No cap. Don't just have them pups, man. You feel me? Don't just have them, they ain't spending no money on them, man. Go spend some money on your dog, man. You feel me? We do this like every week, you feel me? I'm gonna start keeping my receipts, no doubt. Putting all my receipts in one spot, man. Hold on. Putting all my receipts in one spot, man. You feel me? All my receipts in one spot, man. Letting y'all know, bro. I'm keeping all the receipts for my dogs, bro. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, ABKC, man. ABKC, man. You know what I'm saying? Go spend some money on your dogs, man. There's 3 different stores I done went to. You got a Food Line, Tractor Supply. This DG right here, y'all don't know nothing about that Dollar General, you hear me? But yeah, man, go spend some money on your pups, man. But yeah, man. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm fixing everything up and, you know, got them out eating, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Today, man, we just gonna be, I'm gonna be showing y'all the puppy 3 weeks. So I'm gonna be getting them off the mama, you feel me? Getting them off the mama, making a little puppy mush. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all go like, subscribe to my YouTube, man. Share the channel, whatever, you feel me? All that. It's your boy Young Guapo, though. Man, we just letting y'all see how we moving, man. You feel me? Yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna add that Victor puppy, you know, the little puppy shit, whatever. Add the Victor. Then I'm gonna add, man, I look man, I went to 3 stores. I could not find no goat milk. So I hope this works, you feel me? A little evaporated milk, probably about the same thing. So man, I went to 3 stores. I could not find no goat milk though, bro. So I'm gonna add that in there. I ain't wanna make it too last night I made them some, but I made it too mushy. It was more watery, you feel me? So I ain't gonna try to make it like that again, man. You're 2 scoops, you know, nothing too much. Chop this up, see how that's looking a little bit. Make sure we plug it in. Still solid. pour this whole can in. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go find some goat milk tomorrow though, man. Make sure they getting what they need, you feel me? Alright, now I think that's it. Come on now, yeah. If I need to, I add a little water. And just wait. It wasn't even this. It wasn't like this last night. It came with water. Yeah, I add a little bit of water. Just. Yeah, like, man, this nigga just playing in the food. Trying to get it right, man, you feel me? Trying to get it right. You feel me? So, hold on, man. I'm finna bring them pups out in a minute. Let me go ahead and sit this. Might be good right here though. I'm gonna pour some dime on top, you feel me? Gotta have that specialty right there. Oh, still on there. Everybody trying to get away. Come back, little baby. Come on. Mush right here. Oh, get your fat hand out of that. Come on, I might just put everybody in there at one time. Y'all wanna play, man. It's time to eat. Everybody wanna play, it's time to eat. Come on. Yeah, it ain't watery now. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man? Young Guapo, HB3 Kennel. I say it wrong every time. HB3 Kennels, man, you feel me? I got a talk slur, I be talking too fast, you feel me? I'm from New York or something, man, you feel me? Alright, buddy. Oh, let me put a little bit more outside. Where it make it sweet for him, you feel me? Make it sweet. Go follow me on IG, man. We at the 220 right now, man. Come on, man. Let's get it to the 500. We at 220. Let's get to 500, man. No cap, no play. You feel me? Y'all see what's going on? Go share my channel, man. Show me, man. Share me. You feel me? No cap, the pups, man. They here. Think they getting a little cold. I might have to wipe them down because they a little mushy tonight. Yeah, baby. Got some crybabies. Got some eaters. Yeah. They trying to eat the food off each other. Beautiful 8-piece, man. You feel me? Yeah, so man. Put it back on me one more time. And tell them go like, comment, subscribe, man. So man, Young Guapo HB3 Kennel, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's going on, what we doing right here, man. Dropping that straight 5, man. So y'all go like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. Share it to your friend, man. Anybody like dog, man, go share that video, man. Word up, you see him sweating, putting in work, man. That's how we doing over here at the camp. Word up. For real.